Okay, today we're going to be looking at some word problems, some modeling using rational equations. And these are essentially word problems. All right, let's take a look at some examples. These are actually pretty easy to do, pretty easy to set up. As long as you know how to set it up, then not too difficult. So Pete can mow the lawn in 40 minutes, where John can mow the same lawn in 60 minutes. How long will it take them to mow the lawn together? So these are rate problems. Both of these are giving you a rate. It says that Pete can mow one lawn in 40 minutes. And John can mow one lawn in 60 minutes. And if they do it together, we want to know how long will it take them to mow the lawn together. So in other words, for one lawn, how long will it take? Okay, so we can set this up as an equation. So we have one lawn in 40 minutes plus one lawn in 60 minutes equals one lawn in X minutes. I don't know how many minutes it's going to take them together. Okay, so of course there are numerous ways to do this type of problem. We could do a common denominator. Well, we're going to have to do a common denominator anyways, okay? So in order to add these two together, we're going to have to do a common denominator anyways. So you can either add those two together and then do it, or you can make a common denominator for all three of them, which I think that's what I'm going to do. So 40, 60, and x. Common denominator would be 120x. Okay, 40 and 60 both go into 120, and x goes into it as well. To get that, I would multiply the first one by 3 and x, multiply the second one by 2 and x, and multiply the last one by 120. So what I end up with is 3x over the LCD plus 2x over the LCD equals 120 over the LCD. In other words, 5x over the LCD is equal to 120 over the LCD. LCD is the same, so we can say 5x is equal to 120. Divide both sides by 5. And how long does it take them to mow a lawn together? 120 divided by 5, 24 minutes. 24 minutes to mow the lawn together. Not bad. Pretty good, actually. Number 2, one pipe can empty a tank in 12 minutes, a second pipe can empty it in 8 minutes, and a third pipe can empty it in 9 minutes. How long to drain the tank using all three? Okay, so one pipe, one pipe, so it empties one tank in 12 minutes. Second pipe empties one tank in 8 minutes. And the last pipe empties one tank in 9 minutes. Adding all of those together, how long does it take to drain one tank? How many minutes? Okay, so all those rates together, how long does it take to drain one tank? So we got one tank in 12 minutes plus one tank in 8 minutes plus one tank in 9 minutes equals one tank in some unknown number of minutes. Okay, so I will find the LCD. LCD here is 72 times x. 12 goes into 72, I think. 6 times, yeah. 8 goes into 72, and 9 goes into 72. All right, so to get that, I would multiply the first one by 6x, multiply the second one by 9x, and multiply the third one by 8x to get 72x for all of these, and then the last one by 72. So got me 6x over the LCD plus 9x over the LCD plus 8x over the LCD equals 72 over the LCD. These can be combined over a single LCD, 6 plus 9 plus 8, which is 23. So 23x over the LCD equals 72 over the LCD. LCDs can cancel. We got 23x is equal to 72. Divide by 23. So how long does it take? 72 divided by 23. We got 3.13 minutes to drain a tank using all 3 of these pipes. Not bad. All right, so for the assignment, we are looking at these word problems.